There is a winter storm coming, and as a snow and ice professional, you know the preparation before a storm is just as important as what you do when it hits. You've got equipment to prep, you've got employees to activate, and in most cases, you've got salting to do. Ice control accounts for a large percentage of the work performed by most snow and ice professionals, but doing it efficiently can be a problem due to the logistics of moving operators, equipment, and salt to the job site. But problems inspire new ideas. Recently, one of these ideas was presented to Boss by a well-respected snow and ice professional. And based on this, Boss is proud to introduce the next big innovation in ice control, the Boss QuickCube. The Boss QuickCube is a polyhydraulic broadcast spreader. For years, snow and ice professionals have understood the benefits of using the skid steer for snow removal due to them being compact, maneuverable, powerful, and owner-operators are not restricted by licensing and insurance requirements. And since skid steers are already in your fleet and at your job sites, it makes good sense to utilize this piece of equipment for salting. Simply disconnect the plow and attach the Boss QuickCube, and you're ready to spread. That's quick and efficient. This durable, double-walled cube can carry approximately 1/2 cubic yard of salt, giving your operators the amounts they need for small, medium, and large lots. On the lower rear corners of the cube, Boss engineers have provided cutouts to make for easy viewing of the material as it's being spread, and better visibility for obstruction avoidance. The interlocking cube design allows for stable, too-high stacking when full, minimizing the space needed for salt storage. The cube has a large diameter opening where the auger shaft enters and the material flows out. To reduce the loss of material during loading, unloading, and transport, we utilize our patented Material Saver brush disc. This is a proven innovation Boss uses in one of our tailgate spreaders. To keep snow and moisture from entering through this opening during transport, we designed an expandable cube plug. With no need for additional tools, the operator simply turns the adjuster nut on the cube plug to install or remove. The cover utilizes a durable hinge design that offers long-lasting, maintenance-free operation. The cover is secured to the cube by 2 simple stainless steel pins. Moisture is kept out thanks to a seal along the outer edge of the cover. There is also a locking tab built into the design, allowing it to be locked for job site security. Acting as the hopper for the spreader is only part of what the cube is designed to do. It also acts as your on-site storage facility, giving you the material you need to get the job done. Snow and ice professionals understand that storing salt at the job site saves time and money by eliminating the need to leave the lot to refill during an event. But storing on site has some obstacles of its own. The operator needs to load the spreader once they get to the job site, wasting valuable time. The salt pile may be exposed to the weather, allowing the salt to get wet or freeze. The property owner may not allow a pile of salt to be stored on site. Salt piles are not visually appealing to the property. Salt runoff can damage landscaping. But with the Boss QuickCube design, we offer a solution to these obstacles. The cubes can be pre-filled, eliminating the need to load salt before or during the event. The cube may be more acceptable to the property owner, allowing on-site salt storage. The interlocking stackable cube design is also more aesthetically pleasing than a salt pile. It eliminates salt runoff that can damage landscaping. The quick spreader frame easily connects to the skid steer using the SAE J2513 attachment plate, which is common across skid steer brands. The steel spreader frame, which cradles the cube, is a simple, effective design that allows the operator to engage the cube and begin salting. It offers forks made from a highly wear-resistant material for strength and longevity. The included hydraulic hoses are rated for 3000 psi and come with JIC-10 fittings. To prevent wear and tear, we have jacketed these hoses in a canvas hose sleeve with a plastic hose wrap. The hydraulics can be moved to either side of the spreader frame to account for left or right side hydraulic ports. To connect the QuickCube spreader frame to the skid steer, drive the skid steer into the rear of the spreader frame. Lift and lock it to the attachment plate. Set the park and brake, exit the skid steer, connect both of the hydraulic hoses. It's not named the QuickCube for nothing. We've made loading and unloading the cube from the spreader frame a simple and effective procedure that takes minimal operator training. The steps are as follows. Step 1. Remove the cube plug and raise the auger guard. Step 2. Tilt the spreader frame forward and level the forks. Step 3. Drive the forks of the spreader frame into the self-aligning fork pockets of the cube until the frame is fully engaged. Step 4. Tilt the hopper upward using the auxiliary hydraulic control from the skid steer. Step 5. Engage the spinner motor and begin spreading. The enclosed hydraulic spinner motor supplies ample power, allowing the auger to work through clumps or inconsistencies in the salt. Running the skid steer throttle fast or slow can increase or decrease the distance the salt is dispersed. The distance the material is spread can also be adjusted by tilting the spreader forwards or backwards. This makes this the perfect spreader for parking lots where cars may be parked in rows and you need to adjust on the fly. By tilting the spreader forward, you can spread material below parked cars. This minimizes return visits once the parked cars are gone. But the efficiency of the Boss QuickCube may just be the most appealing part for snow and ice professionals. Increase your efficiency and bottom line by positioning a skid steer, a QuickCube system, and a box plow at your job site. Hire operators that live near the job sites to eliminate paying for non-working hours. Provide faster service for your clients by sending operators straight to the job site to get the job done. Replenish salt supply in the QuickCubes during optimal weather and driving conditions to reduce accidents, prep time, and equipment damage risks. The Boss QuickCube is yet another example of our commitment to listening to our customers and providing them with the tools they need to do their job faster and easier. For more information on how the Boss QuickCube can increase your profitability, visit the link below. And as always, contact Boss Snowplow if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Now get out there and take care of your customers.